Mastercam 2022 features the Show Tool function, which displays a mill, router, or lathe tool assembly with the tooltip attached to your mouse cursor. By moving your cursor around, you can quickly see if your tool or holder might cause a problem while simultaneously modeling or programming your part. You have control over displaying a tool, holder, or both, as well as controlling the shading and opacity. Multiple functions have been enhanced to show the display tool, including Mastercam 2022's new Modify Vector, allowing you to identify potential issues up front while you edit. For functions that support a display gnomon or green arrow, such as Create Edit Plane, the tool detaches from your cursor and aligns with the blue Z-axis of the gnomon or the green normal arrow. Streamline your workflow by identifying potential holder collisions while creating a new plane for tilt machining. To use Show Tool, right-click on the desired display tool in the Mill Tool Manager or the Lathe Tool Manager Part Tool list and select Set Display Tool. Your tool does not have to be associated with a particular toolpath. Mastercam remembers your selection even after you close the part file. When a tool is set as a display tool, it is indicated by an icon in the status column. Toggle Show Tool on or off in the display group of the View tab, or use the F8 shortcut key. Your selection persists throughout Mastercam sessions. Choose to display the tool, holder, or both with respect to the active tool plane. Show Tool includes the following options. Display in Front displays the designated tool in front of all other entities. Snap to Auto Cursor Positions snaps the display tool to any active auto cursor position as defined in the auto cursor settings while you are not currently in a function. Display Tool from Selected Operation switches between default display tool and the tool of any selected mill, lathe, or router operation. Additionally, when using dynamic rotation, the tool is placed on the orientation origin point. If you select multiple operations, no tool is displayed. To customize your tool assembly display, use the Cursor tool and Holder Display group found in the Tools and Holders page under Colors in the System Configuration dialog box. These settings are also applied to the Analyze Toolpath function panel by default. For more information on enhancements to Mastercam, be sure to visit whatsnew.mastercam.com.